The Channel tab is designed to support easy management of ESChat's multi-call mode, where a user may participate in up to 4 calls at once. ESChat supports priority scan and priority talkback mode. This video demonstrates priority scan mode. To learn more about priority talkback mode, click the link in the corner. Begin by enabling RX on all desired channels. These channels represent your channel scan list. Then, select TX on the desired transmit channel. The channel with TX selected becomes your primary channel. Then press the Push to Talk button to begin your call. While on your call, a second call begins. To transmit on the secondary call, simply select the TX button. This is now your primary channel. When pressing the PTT button, your voice will transmit on the channel with the selected TX button. If you wish to talk on a different channel, select the TX button on the desired channel. Note you will hear audio from the second call only if your primary channel is idle or the second channel has a higher priority than your primary channel. With multiple calls active, the expanded call widget can be useful as it allows the management of all active calls within a single window. If you wish to leave a call on an active channel, unselect the RX button on that channel. All ESChat calls will end after their programmable hang timers expire.